Hey, for all of you that are considering coming to the Apex, North Carolina area, I want to just record a video with the Apex Nature Park and the Seymour Athletic Center. I'm going to record some clips so you can enjoy what I'm enjoying right now here. I just dropped my son off to practice soccer, and I can just walk for hours while he's practicing, and this is what stole my heart when we came here from Los Angeles. Just the beauty, all this nature. So I'm just going to record some B-roll for all of you guys so you can enjoy, so you can see what we, the ones that live in the Cary, Apex, Raleigh area, are enjoying on a daily basis. So this is in the middle of the city, and there are so many parks like these with pickleball, tennis, disc golf, all these fields available for everyone. They are clean, they are mesmerizing, and they're definitely worthy. So if you're considering coming to the Raleigh area, this is what you're going to have just in your backyard. Connect with me, by the way, if you're interested in knowing more about the real estate, appreciation, jobs. We've helped many families, hundreds of families relocate here, and we are part of that, part of the gang of people that came from Los Angeles to North Carolina, and so we absolutely love it here. All right, I will let you enjoy Apex Nature Park.